of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every wet day around noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on wet day, the test is postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm transmitted over this Dodge, Washington, Milwaukee, Iowa, Dane, Jefferson, Waukesha, Milwaukee, Lafayette, Greene, Rock, Walworth, Racine and Kenosha, and the following Illinois counties: Stevenson, Boone, Winnebago, McHenry, and Lake, and all adjacent coastal waters of